Hi again. Today I'm here with the unboxing, or unwrapping, excuse me, of the Hermès Men's Outdoor Knitted Jacket, which is part of the Fall/Winter 2023 collection. So this is the jacket right here. It is pretty lightweight, so you see it's not too thick. There is a striped collar here as well. Blue, white, and brown, and the Hermès zipper right here as well. It's long sleeve with, again, the matching stripes on the cuff. So I bought this for a very lightweight jacket on days when it's a little bit cooler, like it's starting to get now in the fall. So let me go try this on. Okay, so this is a size medium. I typically am a medium or large depending on the cut. It doesn't feel too tight or too restricted with a lightweight t-shirt underneath. My arms have full movement, and the warmth and softness comes from that it's 80% cashmere and 20% wool. So it's very soft and lightweight, yet warm. Let me go turn around so you can see the back. And that's it. So you see the sleeves are not too long either, just the perfect length for me. In the US, as of November 2023, this men's outdoor knitted jacket retails for $2,000. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.